Hi, I'm Marna, and I thought I'd do a little comparison with the second troll model or pattern that I have to the actual, what we believe, the model of trolls it was made off of. And what I thought I'd show you is the little outfits I make. I always let their bellies show through. It's just a fun little thing. So I thought I would take and try this little outfit that I made on the new guy and see if the belly shows through. When I was a kid, these are 4-inch dolls. Oh, look at that, it does. Success. When I was a kid, the bigger trolls were unusual, and most of us had this size, the little 3-inch size trolls. And most were made by Dam in the 1960s is when I was young enough for dolls. They were also quite popular still in the 70s. In 1963, Thomas Dam's troll doll was Toy of the Year in, I believe it was Life magazine. Thank you for watching our video. I do want to mention that on our website that is at the bottom of the screen, I think I have some troll doll crochet patterns up on the site for free, and I think this pattern is up there. Please leave a like and subscribe.